Welcome to this tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro. In this tutorial, we'll see what is the use of the effect track method key. What can we build by using this? Okay, let's see. I have created a new file, new sequence here, and we need to download or video or photos from any source you actually want. But I will suggest or prefer these websites where you can download videos and photos freely. Downloaded a video, and if I double click here, I can just from downloads I can import that video. This video, okay, it's all imported. And if I want to see that video, how does it fit? How does it will see? It's kind of this, and I need to drag the video on my video on this line. And we know we want to see what is track method key uses. So in the effects, before the effects, we just want to write some text. Okay, so if I just short key Control plus T, if I press, there is a new title where I can write text. If I just OK, and here I'll write some text T and drag that. OK, the text is you can say anything. Just I'm writing leave, and I'm just selecting this text and making the font size a little bit bigger. Okay, and I just want this all in capital form, so I'm just writing it. Not only that, I will make them all bold, and from this icon I just drag that, and this place I'm just keeping them. Okay, so written, and I'm just dragging that on video to options, and you have to do it. You just click here and drag it till the equal to the video length, and okay, we're almost done. Just come to effects and search here track method key, and just drag it on the video option, video online. Okay, if you just drag it on the video online, and you will get some um something that it will help you to effects control. Yeah, effects control, you are seeing the track method key, and the mate option, you just select the video too, and then let's see what happens. If I just give it more bigger, you'll see. Okay, you'll see in the later the video is running. Okay, thank you very much.